Hello, people. How y'all doing? New day, new dollar. I just stopped in here at Helicopter Lessons in 10 minutes or less main channel here to see if Jacob finally give an answer to my final questions that he commented on. And I realized he's put up another video, and this one here pertains to smoking and flying. And lo and behold, he always mentions if you have a topic you would like covered, leave a comment in the comments section. And I had mentioned smoking in my comment in his comment section, and I see smoking here. And so I'm thinking, well, more than likely he's running out of video content that he can think of doing videos on. Let me just get to it. Here it is. Smoking and flying helicopters, his new video. Hi, Jacob. Did you have an aha moment for this video? I mean, after all, I did mention I smoked in my reply to your reply to my initial comment from your video just previous to this one. I don't believe in quinky dinks. Hey, you always say if we have a good idea for a video topic, leave a comment in the comment section. So that is what I'm doing. Check this out. I have got the absolute best idea for video topics that you can possibly cover. That's correct. Topics. Not just one topic, but two topics. Covering these topics will, or my bet, will not prove Earth is spinning, as we were instructed to believe. Guess what else it will prove? Whether Earth is a sphere or not a sphere. If you don't have the spin, you can't have the sphere. Most of us know, or at least can comprehend, the rotors on a helicopter create the lift necessary for the helicopter to lift off the ground. The upward tilted leading edge of the rotors forces the majority of the air it cuts through downward, creating a greater pressure below the helicopter and a lesser pressure above it, hence the necessary lift. This process also creates more than just enough lift required for the helicopter to lift, and that is how it can fly. During this lift creating process, almost all of the breeze wind in the air is caught up in the downwash and is washed down with it, or the helicopter would tumble. That is why it is advised not to fly helicopters in high-speed winds. The high-speed winds overtake and eliminate the required for elevating high pressure below the helicopter and low pressure above it, resulting in lift failure and tumbling, or crash, if you will. Since the helicopter has already lifted from the ground, it has also defied the theory of gravity, eliminating that theoretical factor from the equation. Onto the video making topic. Since you gave such a shoddy answer to my original comments question, does the pilot have to compensate for, or does the helicopter automatically compensate for the Earth's rotation? And you completely dodged answering my following questions to your reply. How long does the Coriolis effect, aka conservation of momentum, continue to carry on? Forever? And at what point do you have to start adjusting for the supposed rotation of the Earth? And then you even went further and you gave Fred Knott's comment and I love you your comment heart the day after I completely destroyed his comment using nothing but logical observable facts. Drum roll. You can do videos on how to compensate for the Coriolis effect while hovering for hours, and how helicopters gain lateral speed flying south to the equator or flying north from the equator. Allow me to give a brief explanation to the second video request. On the spinning ball theory, as previously stated, at the 45th north latitude, the Earth is supposedly rotating at 520 miles per hour. At the equator, the rotation is supposed to be 1,040 miles per hour. So you can explain how it is a helicopter can leave the 45th degree north latitude and accelerate a whopping 520 miles laterally to be able to safely land at the equator, and vice versa, leave the equator, fly north to the 45th degree latitude, and decelerate 520 miles an hour so it can land safely. Don't forget, the fastest flying helicopter in the world is the Eurocopter X3 with the top speed of only 293 miles per hour. Mind you, be truthful. Flat earthers are not spheroidiots, globe believers like Fred Knott's. We do not just accept and believe just because a person is appearing as an authoritative figure like the spheroid idiots do. We demand observable, repeatable, measurable, verifiable, hard, unalterable facts. And yes, we will investigate and verify everything. So don't just come up with some cockamamie bullshit story thinking we are spheroidiots. There are a lot of pilots these days that are coming forth to the reality of the shape of the Earth and have even posted videos stating it. Finally, expect some of these spheroid idiots to stop by. I am making a video of this comment and posting it on my YouTube channel. P.S. I am pretty sure of the results of this comment. You will not make either video. I stumped you with my questions in the other comments section. That is why you did not answer. Now I have stumped you even more here on the lateral speed fact. So rather than lie and be made to be a fool of, you will do nothing but remain silent and perhaps delete this comment. Hey, that's okay. There are millions more that are just like me who may stop by. So if I were you people and you're watching this video, I would just go ahead and stop by here and thumb up this comment or see if this comment is even there. And I would also leave Jacob a comment in the main comment section suggesting he should possibly do a couple of these videos on these topics that I have brought forth so that he can himself end the insanity of Earth being a spinning ball or the reality of it being a level plane. Anyway, there you have it. It is what it is. Maybe I'll start doing a different type of video, but right now I'm kind of enjoying the comments videos. I see a lot of ignorance and stupidity, and I just kind of enjoy, not that you guys don't see it too, but I am having a good time sharing the stupidity, ignorance that people are leaving comments on my comments. So with that, you guys, you all have a wonderful day. I will be doing a video on helicopters, but it's not going to be this kind of video. It's going to be my magic whiteboard. All right, folks, you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Be well, you sphere idiots too. Later, guys.